Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Infinix Hot 30. And to start, first one is to call basically anybody from your contact list without touching your phone. So you need to set up a Google Assistant and then simply say, "Hey Google, call mom." And replace mom with any contact names you have, and your Google Assistant should automatically call them. Next one is to count calories in your food. So what you need to do is say, "Hey Google, count calories in a Big Mac."
There are 257 calories in 100.
And replace Big Mac with any food you're about to eat. Next one is to translate. So you can ask your Google to translate any sentence into another language, and he will also speak it loudly. So that's very useful when you're traveling a lot. And let's try it. "Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger."
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
And then next one is to send message to any person. Using your Google Assistant, you can also say what's inside the message. And for example, "Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger."
all right. What?
And again, replace mom with your contact's name and replace the message to whichever one you like. Last one is to find your phone in case you lost it in your room somewhere and you can't identify where it is. But before that, you will need to set up your Google Assistant for a lock screen and be sure that your volume on the phone is up. And then simply say, "Hey Google, where are you?"
I'm in Google's cloud, so technically
Your phone will start speaking, and that way it will be easy to find it. You can also say something to play music, and then it will be even more easier. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.